Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another tour in Scotland. This time we're here with Nelly and Kev. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
What's the best place to start a tour? Obviously Killen, my favourite place in the world. What do you guys think?
Beautiful.
Awesome, eh?
Yeah, spot on.
We just flew a drone. Nelly has a drone, and there should be some good footage coming up from that as well. We'll head back to Tyndrum and the tour starts proper tomorrow. Right lads, you go in front and stop wherever you want. Stick to A82 until Fort William, and then we're... Yeah. And then we'll regroup.
Yeah.
And we're on our way. Some view, eh? Really lucky with the weather today.
Yeah.
Can't believe it. What's going on?
What view, eh? I mean...
And it's only going to get better. Literally just past the brow of the hill, going down the valley, Glencoe Valley. It's just going to be stunning. So again, yeah, you go in front, stop wherever you want. So what's the verdict so far? Enjoying it?
We was like, we hadn't even pulled out virtually. We was going around that right hand bend and
Yeah.
oh man, look at this. Wow. So, I bet Matt's glad he's not allowing to come fed up and listening to us like a porn chat. Cool.
Breathtaking is the...
Hey, let's do it. Photo opportunity.
Oh, well, I was just wondering if I could rest it on this rock.
He's setting up a claymore.
Huh?
He's setting up a claymore.
We'll all stand by the bikes. You got yours on your phone?
Yeah.
Right, I'm going for 10 seconds.
Everybody,
Right, okay.
10 seconds, I'll run back.
Good luck.
Go on, Fatty!
So what's the plan now? We're doing the fuel stop in Fort William?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
So I'm only up to Fort William and then we'll...
Yeah, no problem. We'll swap after that. Cool. Awesome, innit?